This video is about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense describes an action that will take place in the future but will end at a certain point. It also describes an action that will end after another action takes place. For example, Ben will have cut the cake before 9 o'clock. 10 sentences of future perfect tense. Number 1. By next week we will have earned lots of money. Number 2. They will not have been married by next year. Number 3. Will he have learned all information about this job by May? Number 4. My mother will not have prepared breakfast by the time my father and brother wake up. Number 5. The plane will have landed by that time. Number 6. Please, it will not have finished tomorrow if you are not going to start now. Number 7. She will not have seen you if you do not apologize. Number 8. Arya will have married George by then. Number 9. You can call me at work at 8 a.m. I will have arrived at the office by 7 a.m. Number 10. You will have finished your homework. Let's have a look on the usage and examples of future perfect tense. Number 1. To talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future. For example, by 8 o'clock tomorrow I will have taken off for Japan. Number 2. To talk about an action that will be completed before another event takes place. For example, she will have learned Chinese before she moves to China. Number 3. To express conviction that something happened in the near past. For example, the guests will have arrived at the hotel by now. Formation of the sentences. Positive subject plus will plus have plus past participle object if any. For example, I will have finished my report by the end of this month. Negative subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle plus sub object. For example, he will not have done it by this evening. Interrogative will plus subject plus have plus past participle. For example, will you have written me a letter? Let's read the examples of affirmative sentences. They will have invested their money in the business. We shall have eaten the mangoes. They will have raised the slogans. They will have fired at the elephant. Negative examples. We shall not have invested our money. He will not have opposed the rules of traffic. They will not have made fool him. We shall not have flown the kite. Interrogative examples. Will the jungle have impressed them? Shall we have locked the moon? Will he have sang a song? Shall they have compressed their crime? Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.